Jenny grew up wild like a Blackfoot daisy, out in the shack with a blue tick hound, broke her yet, but blessed with beauty, the kind that a rich man can't turn down. She caught the eye of an old man dancing one summer night in a dime store dress. She had the looks, he had the mansion, and you could figure out the rest. It was all roses dripping in diamonds, sipping on champagne. And she was all uptown wearing a white gown, taking his last name. She could hear those church bells ringing, ringing. And up in the loft that whole choir singing, singing. Fold your hands and close your eyes. Yeah, it's all gonna be alright. Just listen to the church bells ringing, ringing. Yeah, they're ringing. Jenny was hosting junior league parties and having dinner at the country club. Everyone thought they were Ken and Barbie, but Ken was always getting way too drunk. Saturday night, after a few too many, he came home ready to fight, and all his money could never save Jeanette from the devil living in his eyes. She could hear those church bells ringing, ringing. Standing there in a black dress, singing, singing. Fold your hands and close your eyes. Yeah, it's all gonna be alright. Just listen to the church bells ringing, ringing. Yeah, they're ringing. Jenny slipped something in his Tennessee whiskey no hot man was ever gonna find, and how he died is still a mystery, but he hit a woman for the very last time. She could hear those church bells ringing, ringing. Standing there in a black dress, singing, singing. Fold your hands and close your eyes. Yeah, it's all gonna be alright. Just listen to the church bells ringing, ringing. Yeah, they're ringing.